CURI is a shorthand way of writing URIs. CURI is an abbreviation for Compact URI. The RDF data model mapping enables its use for embedding RDF triples within XHTML documents. It also enables the extraction of RDF model triples by compliant user agents. Publisher independence means each site can use its own standards. When there is data reuse, data is not duplicated, so separate XML and HTML sections are not required for the same content. Self-containment is that HTML and the RDF are separated. When there is schema modularity, the attributes are reusable. Evolvability is additional fields can be added and XML transforms can extract the semantics of the data from an XHTML file. Notation 3 is a shorthand non-XML serialization of resource description framework models designed with human readability in mind. N3 is much more compact and readable than XML RDF notation. N3 is a syntax that explains RDF to humans. The format is being developed by Tim Berners-Lee and others from the Semantic web community. What is Atom? The Atom syndication format is an XML language used for web feeds. Atom Publishing Protocol is a simple HTTP-based protocol for creating and updating web resources. Atom is a simple way to read and write information on the web, allowing you to easily keep track of more sites in less time and to seamlessly share your words and ideas by publishing to the web. Used as an application-level protocol for publishing and editing web resources belonging to periodically updated websites. Common Atom constructs. Many of Atom's elements share a few common structures. When an element is identified as being a particular kind of construct, it inherits the corresponding requirements from that construct's definition. There must not be any white space in a date construct or in any RI. Some XML emitting implementations erroneously insert white space around values by default, and such implementations will emit invalid Atom documents. Text constructs. A text construct contains human-readable text, usually in small quantities. The content of text construct is language sensitive. Person constructs. A person construct is an element that describes a person, corporation, or similar entity. This specification assigns no significance to the order of appearance of the child elements in a person construct. Person constructs allow extension metadata elements. The atom name element. This element's content conveys a human readable name for the person. The content of atom name is language sensitive. Person constructs must contain exactly one atom name element. The atom URI element. This element's content conveys an IRI associated with the person. Person constructs may contain an atom URI element, but must not contain more than one. The content of atom URI in a person construct must be an IRI reference. The atom email element. This element's content conveys an email address associated with the person. Person constructs may contain an atom email element, but must not contain more than one. Date constructs. A date construct is an element whose content must conform to the date time production in RFC 3339 standard. In addition, an uppercase T character must be used to separate date and time, and an uppercase Z character must be present in the absence of a numeric time zone offset. The atom feed element. Atom feed element is one of container elements. The atom feed element is the document element of an atom feed document, acting as a container for metadata and data associated with the feed. Its element children consist of metadata elements followed by 0 or more atom entry child elements. This specification assigns no significance to the order of atom entry elements within the feed. Following is an example of an atom 1.0 feed. RSS. RSS stands for Rich Site Summary. It is a format for delivering regularly changing web content. Many news-related sites, weblogs, and other online publishers syndicate their content as an RSS feed to whoever wants it. RSS written in XML. The father of the RSS is Dave Winner, and RSS was born in 1997. What's new today? Blogs, Yahoo, Google, News? Oh, no time! Yippee! RSS! RSS! Benefits of RSS. RSS solves a problem for people who regularly use the web. It allows you to easily stay informed by retrieving the latest content